Hello, I'm Alyssa from EFX. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to properly install silicone edge graphics onto your EFX frame. We'll begin by the top left corner. Press the silicone edge of your graphic into the outer crevice of your frame. Depending on its size, you'll want to install between 2 to 4 inches on either side of the corner. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 corners, starting with the bottom right. Now that all of our edges are tucked in, we should have stretched the graphic across the frame evenly. We'll continue by installing our 4 middle points. Same as before, remember to tuck in 2 to 4 inches of graphic depending on your frame size. Follow this step using alternating sides to make sure the graphic is stretched evenly. Now, install the rest. Thank you for watching. Should you have any further questions or need additional assistance, we welcome you to email us at info@efximagery.com. We hope you enjoy your new EFX SEG frame.